Want to use your favorite song or any downloaded sounds or ringtone as your iPhone alarm's ringtone? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to change, set, or even customize alarm sounds on iPhone. So let's jump right into the steps. Solution 1. Import the song into alarm ringtone. Open GarageBand app on iPhone. If you haven't downloaded it already, download and open the GarageBand app from App Store. Tap Continue. Create a new project. Tap the plus icon to start a new project. Select any instrument. Tap the small plus looking icon from the top right corner of the screen. Tap Selection A. Turn off Automatic. Now select 30-second. Tap Done. Tap the loop icon from the top right corner right next to setting icon. Tap File. Scroll down. Tap Browser Items from the File app. Find your download song. Now here your song will be added. After select song, tap My Song, tap Ringtone. Now I'll rename with Alarm Song. Tap Export. Tap Use Sounds as. Select Standard Ringtone after this. Open Clock app on iPhone. Select an alarm. Tap Sounds. Select the recent alarm sounds that you added to your phone. So there you have it. So this is how you can have different alarm sounds on your iPhone. Now, still, if you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.